Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's. In this video I have come up with simple hand embroidery pattern. I have designed this on the boat neckline of chudidar, which will really gives the gorgeous appeal for the office or the daily wear. Also try this type of simple embroidery pattern for highlighting the borders of the sarees or dupattas. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में भी वॉच कर सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी अवेलेबल है, तो क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशंस चैनल को और देखते रहिए लेटेस्ट फैशंस और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। So I have given the neckline markings and with 1 inch gap I have marked according to the neckline, and the materials I am going to use is the hand embroidery of anchor threads, sky blue and dark blue color. With the dark blue color I'll now start giving the hand embroidery. This would be the center line, followed with the sides on both the sides with 3 to 4 lines. It depends upon your requirement, and the sizes will decrease like the descending order. The center should be the greater one. Going on, it should decrease little by little. So towards one side I have given the 3 line stitches like this. The same way I'll give the stitch to another side also. So all the lines would look like this. In the center I'll insert the needle and pull it to the top, and see I'm pulling to another side, making a loop here in the center. So this way all the lines will make with this one loop together like so. I'll stitch on all these dots. Now in between the gaps I'll be using sky blue color, and the stitch something would look like this. Now I'm gonna use red color anchor thread, giving the lazy daisy stitch. Finally, I'll stitch the pearls and the golden beads on this to give an embellished look. And the final look out of this beautiful decorative stitch would look like this. Isn't it looking so amazing? And the complete neckline, this is how it looks. I'm really enjoyed watching this video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Please do like this video and support my efforts. As this is decorative stitch, you can try for any patterns on the garments or for the home decor project. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Miss Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. Until then, see you all back now.